I've done hundreds of one-to-one calls with people who wanted to start a business or people who also had businesses. And a lot of people worried about competition. A lot of people didn't start a business because they were afraid the competition was simply better than them, so they would get left with nothing. Not even the crumbs, no customers, nothing. And what I usually tell people is that if you try to be the first in a market, like the first one to offer a product, a service, anything, you're probably gonna fail. Either you're gonna fail massively, which is gonna be the case for 99.9% of people, or you will become a billionaire. Now, which one do you think is more likely to happen in your case, or in my case? Come on. We're probably not gonna become billionaires unless we have a revolutionary idea, or unless we can improve something that already exists by a lot. So more often than not, if you think you are the first one in a market, nobody gives a shit about this market. Like, people tried before you, they went bankrupt. I'm sure you've heard of all these startups with weird concepts, and they all fucking go broke. Why? Because nobody gives a shit about the thing they're selling. In reality, competition is a really good sign, because it means that's a market that's alive, that people have an interest in, that people spend money in. For example, the fitness market is huge. Everybody thinks it's oversaturated. The truth is, it's never oversaturated for the right person. If you have something to share, if you want to make it in the fitness industry, you won't listen to every dumbass who tells you, oh, it's too saturated. You won't just fucking do it. And if you simply stick with it for 2 to 10 years, you will make a fuck ton of money. More money than you ever dreamed of. While all the clowns who said, oh, it's a saturated market, they never fucking started. They never did anything. They're still exactly where they were a few years ago. And in this world, if you don't get better, you get worse. There's no such thing as staying the same, stagnating. Stagnation is an illusion. You know why? Because everything is always evolving. Every day there's smart people in the world working on how to improve life for everyone else. So unless you get better, unless you improve yourself on an individual level, I'm sorry to say it, but you are getting worse. So why am I talking to you about competition? Because guess what? Nowadays, with the rise of AI, making content has never been easier than literally right now. Nowadays, you can technically just open up a YouTube channel, use an AI voiceover. Some of them are really high quality. For example, 11 Labs, I used it myself in the past. The quality is mind fucking blowing. The AI voices sound actually human. And then, with tools like Nano Banana Pro, you can make images, like AI images, you can even animate them, and you can have a full AI video, which gets you a lot of views. And I know people who do that, and sometimes they make a fuck ton of money, because they get attention, and then they funnel people to their paid products, and that's all that matters. The problem is, since we're talking about competition, why would anyone watch you? Like, seriously, why would anyone watch your content instead of all the other videos they can watch on the internet? That's something I really asked myself lately. Why would somebody watch my videos instead of someone else's? And the only answer that stayed in my mind, it wasn't because of the information I give. Because information is something that anyone can find anywhere. You can get information by talking to someone, by going on a forum, by watching a video, by asking ChatGPT, by reading a book. There are so many ways to get information, even for free. However, the thing is, in order to make progress in one area of life on one specific topic, information is never enough. Like, you need the right information, but what you need more than anything else, more than all the information in the world, is to take consistent daily action on the right thing. If you take consistent daily action on the wrong thing, I'm sure you can see how you're not going to get the outcome that you want. That goes without saying. But my point is, there are tons of AI channels out there. They're all remaking the same content. YouTube is banning a fuck ton of them, by the way. And the problem is, everybody sounds the same. If you use Claude or ChatGPT to write your scripts, you will sound the same as everybody else. If you get lucky, you'll still get a lot of views. Good for you. I see AI videos getting lots of views more than I do. But do you really want to bet your financial future, your dreams, your life on getting lucky? Like, seriously? Doesn't that scare you just a tiny little bit? Because it fucking terrifies me. I was never a lucky person. If I was the lucky type, I would have been born in a wealthy family, I would have grown up in a big town instead of a small shitty ass town. I wouldn't have had a tenth of the issues I've had to deal with growing up. So I'm not a naturally lucky person. What I believe in is making your own luck. And how do you make your own luck? By doing so much the world has to notice at some point. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.